Welcome back to my channel, guys. This is part 2 of the pattern hair dryer review. I used the curl diffuser last time to see if I could get some curl definition to my frizzy curls, and it went pretty well considering. Got my pattern hair dryer and I got the brush attachment hooked up. So we're gonna see how this does as far as blowouts is concerned. So my hair has been saturated with leave-in conditioner, the pattern leave-in conditioner. They released a heat protectant and a shine spray. And we're gonna go all the way up. We're gonna go to the high setting. And I'm gonna grip it from here because I feel like that's probably the best place to hold it. So that was one of the biggest grievances I had with my little hot shots dryer, was that the attachments would always come off as I was blow drying my hair. That's our blown out section. I am gonna try to get to the root now. But yeah, I think it did a pretty good job. So I'm gonna go to the next section. And we have already got our heat protectant in here, so we can just grab our section. Gonna twist this up and go to the next thing. So I kind of went back over it because I noticed that the dryer was getting a little warmer, and it's doing the damn thing now, y'all. I just noticed that how straight I was able to get this section, and I was like, yeah. So I don't know if I just had to give it a minute to get up to its hottest. It was blow drying nicely, but it just wasn't getting that, you know. So I'm gonna go back over these sections again. Okay. Oh yeah. Now it just had to warm up a little bit, I think. Or it could have been that just my hair was really, really damp when I started. But now I am seeing what I like to see. If I had to guess, I think total elapsed time had been about 25 minutes. Let's try out the shine spray. But so far, I love the results. My hair is super soft, shiny. It did get my hair straight, but I wasn't, you know how some heat dryers can get like scorchingly hot. I did not feel that way with this dryer. Once it got good and warm, it was doing its thing. So I give it an A+.
All right, so the rest of this is going to be a voiceover, but what you see me doing is taking down a flat twist that I immediately installed right after my blowout. I used no additional products outside of the pattern shine spray, and I was very pleased with my results. My hair wasn't crispy or dry. It was very soft to the touch, silky and shiny. I was very pleased with my blowout results. The pattern hair dryer is a definite keeper. I recommend you cop this as soon as possible. All right, guys. See you later.